This is road safety for you, driving forward for safer roads. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is checkpoints in the Philippines. So knowing your rights, I'll go into some detail, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, what enforcers can do, and what they should not do. So we'll go and have a look at that for you in some detail. Let's have a look. This is a typical checkpoint with correct signage. The purpose of a checkpoint is public safety, crime prevention and traffic management. We must remember enforcers are there to protect all of us. They put themselves in the front line of danger every day. They are not the enemy unless you are willfully breaking the law. Stay with the video until the end. It could be the most important video you see this month. You will feel more confident at checkpoints. What to do when approach to a checkpoint. 1. Slow down, be prepared to stop. 2. Dim your headlight if on high beam. Number 3. Identify the checkpoint. Is it legal or fake? And 4. Raise your visor if it's tinted. Take a screenshot of this one. What you must show. You must show your driving licence, OR, CR. You can legally video record this. They must not, without legal grounds, order you off your bike, take your keys or licence, force you to open bags or compartments, or search your body or belongings, not without your consent. Your rights. You have the right to remain silent, record video of the encounter, or ask, "Sir, what am I accused of?" Legal checkpoints. They must be well lit with clear signs, staffed by uniformed officers, have a checkpoint ahead signs, police or LTO marked vehicles. Officers must show ID. Fake checkpoints. Watch out for persons in civilian clothing, no ID or badge, no marked vehicles, and no checkpoint signage. These are the differences between a legal checkpoint and a fake checkpoint. How to identify a legal checkpoint. On approach, look for official signage, checkpoint ahead. It is fake if no official agency name, LTO, PNP, etc. No date or operation number. If it's handwritten or unprofessional printed sign. No officers in uniform or marked vehicles, usually on isolated roads with poor lighting. No visible logbooks, nameplates or body cams. Trust your instincts. If you feel something is not right, do not stop. Drive to the nearest place of safety, a barangay hall, a gas station or a PNP station. Better to be questioned there than risk stopping at a fake checkpoint. Checkpoint staff are well aware of these fake sites. When stopped at a checkpoint, it is very important to stay calm and respectful, even if you feel the officers are wrong. By remaining calm, you remain in control. If you are shouting, pointing fingers, the enforcers have control and could view your behaviour as threatening, resulting in your arrest. Stay calm, record everything. Times, dates, location, name and badge numbers, pictures and video. If you remain calm, you will be free to go. Report them as soon as possible with your evidence. Take another screenshot of this one, guys. This is the anatomy of an enforcer. All the details are there of badges, what equipment they carry, what to look for. Checkpoint staffing. So for a police PNP checkpoint, there'll be 1 team leader, 3 spot checkers, 1 recorder, 2 security officers, 1 traffic flow officer, a total of around 8 personnel. For a PNP and LTO joint operation, that will be 1 PNP team leader, 2 PNP spot checkers, 2 LTO officers, 1 recorder, 2 traffic flow security staff, so a total of around 8 to 10 personnel. Checkpoints, know your rights. So the next time you see this, you should not fear. You now know your rights. Remember also the staff at checkpoints are helping protect you against unlicensed or uninsured or unsafe drivers. This helps protect you and your family by making our roads a bit safer. If you are asked to pay a bribe at a checkpoint, politely ask if you can have a receipt. If they say no, then pay but record the incident on your phone. You have a legal right to record discreetly. Reporting a PNP officer, LTO officer, or an MMDA official. These next three screens, you can take a screenshot and then you have all this information at hand on your phone, or you can print these screens and carry them with you as a reference so you can see them at any time. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new today and you will now feel more confident when approaching any checkpoint. Please like and subscribe. It's free to do so and really helps the channel grow. Also check the channel for other useful help and tip videos. Road safety for you, Philippines. Think before you ride. I'll see you all again in the next video. It's bye from James.